Hi friends, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. Now, if this is your first time here, I'm Valrine. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you'll subscribe before you go. Now, in this video, I am looking at a term which is commonly used in design and decor, and it is white to the road. If you have 4 or 5 or 6 windows in the front of your home and you have different colors in each room, when somebody passes your home and they look at your home, they will see all the different colors looking back at them. White to the road ensures that when somebody looks at your house, they will see just one color in all the windows. And so your lining is what the lining for your window treatment is what they will be looking at. It can be white, doesn't have to be, can be beige, off-white. Even now, sometimes we have like a light gray or a light, very muted light color of any color on the color wheel, but usually not very bright, right? It reads more white or off white. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, subscribe, hit that subscription button, and remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos.